Welcome to DIY Power Fix, the place where we make electrical DIY simple, safe, and beginner-friendly. Whether you're fixing, building, or just learning, you'll find everything you need right here. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a new project.
Today we'll be talking about top 5 essential electrical tools. Let me repeat, top 5 essential electrical tools you should own. Whether you are fixing a switch, wiring a socket, or just starting out. These tools will make your work easier, safer, and more professional. Now, join me. Let's dive right in on the top 5 electrical tools you should own. Number 1 thing to discuss is insulated screwdrivers. They are not just regular screwdrivers as you can see them. They are designed with special insulated handles. Look at it. You can see it. Look at the bottom. You can see there is no any sign of iron. You can see it. They are well protected with insulated rubber. So they are designed with special insulated handles that protect you from electric shock while tightening or loosening screws in outlets, switches, and breakers panel. So whenever you have a good insulated screwdriver, that means you are safe from electric shock. That means you can use your screwdriver to tighten or to loose any switches that has electric, so without any shock. So that is why it is always good to do what? It is always good to look for one rated up to 1000 volts for maximum safety. Trust me, this small investment could save your life. I mean, by getting good insulated screwdriver, the screwdriver that has good rubber, see, look at it very well. Look at the bottom. You can see it has good rubber. See, look at it. So by buying good insulated screwdrivers, that means you are protecting yourself from electric shock. Now, the second tool to discuss about is multimeter. Look at it. Though we have different type of multimeter, we have different type. This one is clamp. Though you have different type, you will see it in different form, different size, and different shape. But this is one of multimeter you can see around. And the purpose of multimeter is to detect electrical toolkit. It tells you if current is flowing, check for voltage, and even measure resistance. Diagnose a dead outlet. Diagnose a dead outlet, or making sure a circuit is safer to work on. So what I mean by this is this. With multimeter, when you are testing AC, you change it to AC. Then as you can see the 2 wire, and you put the 2 wire, you put the red on the positive while you put the black on the negative. Now let's discuss about wire strippers. As you know, electrical cable does not usually comes naked. You notice some cable they are yellow. You notice some cables they are red. You notice some are black, and you notice some are blue. Yes, so electrical cable always come with plastic insulation. It always has plastic insulation around it. That is the rubber that protects the copper. Now, the work of wire strippers is to do what? Is to remove the insulation away from the copper without damaging the copper. So when working with electrical wires, you will often need to remove the plastic insulation without damaging the copper inside it. That is exactly what wire strippers do, neatly and safely. So you use this as you can see it. You see the mouth. This is the mouth. So it depends on the gauge of the wire you want to remove the insulator. So you put it, look at the mouth, you put it where it will fit. Maybe you are removing insulator from 1.5 mm, you are removing from 1 mm, you are removing from 2.5. Then it depends on the gauge of the wire. Then you put it in this mouth, you press it neatly, and you do what? And you remove it without damaging without damaging the copper inside. Okay, now let's discuss about insulated plier. I know some of us, we are very familiar with plier, and plier is one of the major tools in electrical work. Things we use plier to do is you can use it to cut, and it can also serve as wire strippers. You can use it to do what? You can use it to peel. You can use it to peel cable. You can use it to cut. You can use it to peel cable, and you can also use it to twist. Use it to twist cable together. Like you want to twist a black and black together. You want to twist red and red together. Then with insulated plier, you use it to do what? You use it to achieve everything. But make sure your plier are well insulated. Your plier, make sure it is well. Look at this one very well. Look at it. You can see there's nothing like exposed. The insulator is not exposed. There's nothing like iron at the bottom. Look at it. So there you have it. The top 5 essential electrical tools every beginner should own. Number 1, insulated screwdrivers. Insulated screwdriver is meant to loose or tighten electrical work, either switches, sockets, or any other thing. But make sure it is insulated so that you can be protected. So make sure it has good insulator at the bottom. And number 2 is digital meter. You know, digital meter is used to test. Maybe there's current in a wire. And don't forget, the good thing about digital meter is you can use it to test AC, and you can also use it to test what? DC. That means you can use it to test direct current and alternative current, which is AC. Alternative current AC and direct current AC. Don't worry, in some of our classes we discuss about that, especially when we get to a stage where we'll be discussing about solar panels, inverter, and the rest. And number 3 is wire strippers. You remember wire strippers? I told you wire strippers is used to do what? It's used to separate insulator and I told you wire strippers is used to separate insulator and the copper inside. So don't forget, I said, you don't usually see wire in different colors. You see red, blue, green. Yes, red, blue, green, black, and so to separate it, you cannot use it like that. You have to remove the part you want to use, and you use the copper inside. So to separate it, you need wire strippers and insulated pliers. Insulated before you touch it. So with these tools, you are well equipped to handle basic electrical projects safely and confidently. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit like button, subscribe to DIY Power Fix, and press the bell icon so that you will never miss our next class. Thank you. God bless you.